Hey guys, so I'm going to show the split screen multitask on your Samsung Galaxy S24. So you can do two things at the same time. Now it's pretty simple, so first on your Samsung bring up an app. For example, we're going to open up YouTube. Now you're going to press this button here. Just go to whatever app you want to use for the split screen. And you're going to hold the icon right here. So the YouTube icon. You can also press it. Then put in either the top or bottom. Then select a second app. For example, I'm going to do Chrome. Now a few more tips. So this for example. Now we have a YouTube, so you can do stuff like comment, watch the video. Can also use Chrome. And you can adjust the size here. Then as long as you have the auto rotate on, you can also view this way. And if you want to get out of the split screen, to exit split screen, just drag the bar. And yeah, so there is to it. So hope this helped out.